हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम PU2 मैथमेटिक्स पार्ट 1 बुक में चैप्टर नंबर 5 कंटिन्यूटी एंड डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। फर्स्ट हम कॉन्सेप्ट कंटिन्यूटी का लेंगे। कंटिन्यूटी, ए फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी कंटिन्यूअस व्हेन द फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी कंटिन्यूअस। ये एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए हम पहले एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल है आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में, f of x equal to 1 if x is less than or equal to 0, equal to 2 if x is greater than 0। इसका ग्राफ यहाँ पर दिया गया है। The graph of the function is given here। f of x equal to 1 if x is less than or equal to 0। Less than or equal to 0 means from here to left side। When x is less than or equal to 0, the function is 1, and f of x equal to 2 if x is greater than 0। Here greater than 0, the function is 2। So the function is of course defined at every point of the real number। So graph of the function is given here। यहाँ पर देखो, from left side the function is continuous, and from right side also the function is continuous। That means the given function is limit exist from left side and right side, but they are not equal। This function is not continuous। continuous का मतलब होता है हमें पेन को लिफ्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। फ्रॉम हेयर टू यहाँ तक हम आकर यहाँ पर रुक जाते हैं, यहाँ पर हम पेन को लिफ्ट करने पड़ता है। तो विदाउट लिफ्टिंग द पेन, इफ़ वी ड्रॉ द ग्राफ, दैट ग्राफ इज कॉल्ड अ कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन। बट दिस इज नॉट अ कंटिन्यूअस फंक्शन। इट from left side it is continuous, again from right side also it is continuous, but left hand limit and right hand limit does not coincide। ये coincide होना चाहिए, मिलना चाहिए। and the graph हमें without lifting pen होना चाहिए। यहाँ से यहाँ तक आकर हमें यहाँ पेन को लिफ्ट करना पड़ता है, इसलिए ये फंक्शन, this function is not continuous function। come to the next example। See this example। The function is also defined at every point in its domain, but from right side to at x equal to 0, the function is not continuous, because at x equal to, when x is not equal to 0, the function is 1। Here the function is 1 from right side and left side also when x is not equal to 0। At particular this point at x equal to 0, the value of f of x is 2 here। So f of 2 is 2, and the limit f of x from left hand side is 1, from right hand side is also 1। Limit exists, but it is not continuous, because left hand limit equal to right hand limit, but that is not equal to f of a here। यहाँ पर from left side the limit is 1, from right side limit is 1, but f of a की वैल्यू यहाँ पर 2 दी गई है। when x is not equal to 0 का मतलब होता है at x equal to 0, when x is not equal to 0 the value is 2। when x equal to 0 the value is 1 here। when x is equal to 0 the value is 2, and when x is not equal to 0 the value of the function is 1। So left hand limit also exists, right hand limit also exists, but limit f of a, that is 2, is not equal to 1। So here this function is not continuous। So अब हम definition की तरफ आएंगे। Suppose f is a real function on the subset of a real number and c be any point in its domain, then f is continuous at c if limit f of x as x tends to c equal to f of c। Suppose f is a real valued function on a subset of real numbers and c be any point in its domain। इसमें डोमेन में कोई पॉइंट c है समझो। at particular point the function is continuous if and only if limit exist and limit f of x as x tends to c equal to f of c। लिमिट एग्जिस्ट का मतलब होता है पॉजिटिव लिमिट एंड नेगेटिव लिमिट इक्वल होना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट come to general point। a function is continuous at x equal to c if the function is defined at x equal to c, if the value of the function at x equal to c equal to limit of the function at x equal to c. If the function is not continuous, we say that the function is discontinuous at point c. अगर एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट हम c लेंगे तो if the function is not continuous, we can say that the function is discontinuous at c and c is called the point of discontinuity. So और एक important point यहाँ पर है, limit f of x as x tends to c, this value must be finite. ये जो लिमिट की वैल्यू आप निकालते हैं वो फाइनाइट होना चाहिए, इन्फिनिटी वैल्यू नहीं होना चाहिए, देन ओनली द फंक्शन विल बी कंटिन्यूस. इनफाइनाइट वैल्यू आप ले ही नहीं सकते. द फंक्शन कैन बी डिफाइंड ओनली ऑन रियल नंबर्स एंड फाइनाइट नंबर्स इन द डोमेन ऑफ द फंक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दिस ग्राफ. दिस ग्राफ यू कैन ऑब्जर्व. इस ग्राफ में फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड here the function is going up to infinity. From left hand side the function is coming down up to minus infinity. Here the function is going to plus infinity, function is going to minus infinity. So this is also the example of discontinuous function. So जब इन्फिनिटी आती है तो लिमिट का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. लिमिट इन्फिनिटी होती है, कंटिन्यूटी का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता, क्योंकि on infinite numbers the function, we cannot define the function as continuous. So only on real numbers, real valued function, we can define the continuity. So come to this example. Discuss the continuity of the function defined by f of x equal to x plus 2 if x is less than or equal to 1. If x is less than or equal to 1 means from left hand side, and greater than means from right hand side, this side. So x minus 2 if x is, so c greater than 1. See the graph of the function. Here x is less than or equal to 1, this left hand limit, left hand function, and this is from right side. So here we have to lift the pen. यहाँ से यहाँ पर आने के बाद हमें पेन को लिफ्ट करके यहाँ आना पड़ता है, इसलिए ये फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस नहीं है. Without lifting pen, we have to draw the graph, then only we can say that the function is continuous. यहाँ से यहाँ पर आने के बाद हमें यहाँ को पेन को लिफ्ट करके यहाँ आना पड़ता है. By seeing the graph only we can say that the function is not continuous. Next, at particular point भी यहाँ पर आप define कर सकते हैं. If the function is defined on the real number, if c is less than 1, f of c is equal to c plus 2 less than रहे जब, and f of x is greater than 1, if x is greater than 1, that is c minus 2. So f is continuous at point greater than 1. यहाँ पर from right side it is continuous, from left side also it is continuous, but the total function is not coinciding, so total function is not continuous. At x equal to 1, at x equal to 1 particular point you can check the function is not continuous here. Here f of 1 is this number, that is 3, and here f of 1 is 1. So this function is not continuous at x equal to 1. Now come to the next question. Find all the point of discontinuity of the function defined by f of x equal to x plus 2 if x is less than 1, equal to 0 if x equal to 1, x minus 2 if x is greater than 1. At x equal to 0, the value of the function is 1. If x equal to 1, the value of the function is 0. And if x is greater than 1, x minus 2, this function. And if x is less than 1, the function is this one. So as the previous example, we find f is continuous at all real number at x equal to 1. So right hand limit is, right hand means we have to take the greater value, x minus 2. When x tends to 1, x equal to 1, put the value of x equal to 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And take, this is right hand limit, take left hand limit, x plus 2. So limit f of x as x tends to 1 minus means left hand limit, limit x tends to 1 minus एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस टू एक्स यहाँ पर हम लेस देन होता है तो नेगेटिव लिमिट लेते हैं, ग्रेटर देन होता है तो पॉजिटिव लिमिट लेते हैं. सो दिस इज़ पॉजिटिव लिमिट, दिस इज़ नेगेटिव लिमिट एंड दिस इज़ पॉजिटिव लिमिट. दे आर नॉट इक्वल, देयरफॉर लिमिट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. जब लिमिट ही एग्जिस्ट नहीं होता है तो कंटिन्यूटी का सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. द फंक्शन इज डिसकंटिन्यूअस एट एक्स इक्वल टू 1. See this example. क्या ये एग्जाम्पल, क्या दिस ग्राफ कंटिन्यूस, इज इट अ कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन? See here. Discuss the continuity of the function defined by f of x equal to x plus 2 if x is less than 0 minus x plus 2 if x is greater than 0. By seeing the graph from left side, from here to 0 it is continuous, from left hand it is continuous, from right hand side also it is continuous, but it does not coincide at x equal to 0 because it is open. So graph of this function is continuous from left side and right side, but it does not coincide at f of c. Now come to the next example. Discuss the continuity of the function given by f of x equal to x. X means this straight line graph. X square from left hand side it is going parabola. So clearly the function is defined at every real number. Graph of the function is given this one. So at point when x is less than 0 means left hand limit. The value of the left hand limit is, put x equal to 0 here, it will become 0, and take right hand limit, again put x value x equal to 0. So these two from left hand side and from right hand side they are coincide. So limit is function, therefore the function is continuous at x equal to 0. This means that f is continuous at every point in its domain and hence f is continuous function. So come to the next question. Show that every polynomial function is continuous. जो polynomial function होता है, polynomial means this is in the form of p of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x x square etc. an x raised to n. Such type of functions are always continuous because limit p of x as x tends to c equal to p of c. Next, find all the points. This example is very important to understand. So by seeing the graph of the greatest integer function only we can say that the function is discontinuous. ये discontinuous देखते ही पता चलता है क्योंकि जब हम यहाँ से 0 से लेते हैं, 0 से यहाँ पर आने के बाद फिर हम पेन को लिफ्ट करना पड़ता है. See, again we have to lift the pen. So the given function is not continuous. So without lifting pen, if we draw the graph, then only it is continuous function. यहाँ पर हमें बार बार पेन को उठाना पड़ता है, लिफ्ट करना पड़ता है. तो by seeing the graph only we can say that the greatest integer function is not continuous. यहाँ पर some algebra of continuous function होते हैं. If you have given two functions f and g, f plus g is also continuous at c, f minus g is also continuous at particular point c, f into g is also continuous at f point x equal to c, f by g is also continuous at c. See some more examples here. Check the continuity of the function f of x equal to 2x plus 3 at x equal to 1. So first take limit f of x as x tends to 1 equal to, put the value as x equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 that is 5. Thus limit f of x as x tends to 1 equal to 5, and the same value we are getting by f of 1. Put here x as 1, f of 1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 that is again 5. So limit f of x as x tends to 1 equal to 5 equal to f of 1. Therefore f is continuous at x equal to 1. Next, examine whether the function f of x equal to x square is continuous at x equal to 0. First note that the function is defined at x equal to 0. We are defining the function at x equal to 0. So limit f of x as x tends to 0 means you have to put the value of f of x here. Given f of x is x square. So put as x tends to 0 means when we will put the value we should not write the limit here. जब हम value substitute करते हैं तो यह limit यहाँ पर हमें नहीं लिखना चाहिए. So the value put x equal to 0, 0 square is 0. Limit f of x as x tends to 0 equal to 0, that is f of 0. If we put x as 0 you will get 0 here. So the limit is f is continuous at x equal to 0. Come to the next question. Discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x equal to mod x at x equal to 0. Mod x की definition आपको मालूम है. Mod x means modulus value of x is minus x if x is less than 0 and plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0. Here the graph of the function will be like this. इस टाइप का ग्राफ होता है. इस तरह से इस तरह का ग्राफ होता है मॉडुलस फंक्शन. सो जब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हम होते हैं तो इसे हम माइनस एक्स लेते हैं. जब राइट हैंड साइड में होते हैं तो हम प्लस एक्स लेते हैं. क्लियरली द फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड एट एक्स इक्वल टू 0. व्हेन एक्स इक्वल टू 0 या ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0 द वैल्यू इज एक्स, दैट इज एक्स टेंड्स टू 0 मीन्स 0. एफ ऑफ 0 इज 0. And from left hand limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus means less than equal to 0. This you have to take, that is minus x. Put the value as x equal to 0, we will get 0. Similarly, right hand limit of f at 0 is limit f of x as x tends to 0. Positive side means greater than this value you have to take, greater than or equal to 0. Limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus equal to x equal to 0. Thus the left hand limit, right hand limit and the value of the function coincide at x equal to 0. Hence f is continuous at x equal to 0. Now observe the third example. Show that the function f given by f of x equal to x cube plus 3 if x is not equal to 0, equal to 1 if x equal to 0 is not continuous at x equal to 0. So again we have to check the positive limit. See, f of 0 is 1 and put the value, take limit, put the value as x equal to 0, you will get 3 here. Here we are getting 1, here we are getting 3. So the limit f of x as x tends to c is not equal to f of c. Therefore the given function is not continuous. Limit f of x की वैल्यू 3 होगी and f of 1 equal to f of 0 is 1. Therefore the given function is discontinuous at x equal to 0. At particular point x equal to 0 the given function is discontinuous. Now take example fifth one. Check the points where constant function f of x equal to k is continuous. Constant function means here x नहीं होता, एक k होता है, सिर्फ कांस्टेंट वैल्यू होती है, फिक्स वैल्यू होती है या रियल नंबर होता है 2, 5, 100, -100 एनी नंबर फिक्स वैल्यू. द फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड एट ऑल रियल नंबर्स एंड बाय डेफिनेशन इट्स वैल्यू एट एनी रियल नंबर इक्वल्स टू k. f of x as x tends to c equal to k only we are getting. Therefore always the constant function is continuous. Next example 6. Prove that the identity function of real numbers given by f of x equal to x is continuous at every real number. The function is clearly defined at every point and f of c equal to c for every real number. So limit f of x as x tends to c equal to limit x as x tends to c equal to c. So the given function is continuous. So take one more definition. A real function f is said to be continuous if it is continuous at every point in the domain. Domain means x-axis at every point of the domain the function must be continuous. A function is said to be continuous if it must be continuous in every point in the domain of f. The definition requires to suppose f is a function defined on a closed interval ab, then for f to be continuous it needs to be continuous at every point in the interval ab. Interval means at a particular, from here a to b, take particular interval. If the function is continuous in the interval means it must be continuous from interval a to b, like this, including the endpoints of a and b. Continuity of a means continuity of f at a means limit f of x as x tends to a plus equal to f of a, and limit f of x as x tends to b minus, that is left hand limit f of b. So limit f of x as x tends to a minus and b plus do not make sense as a consequence of this definition. If f is defined only at one point, it is continuous there. If the domain of f is singleton, f is continuous function. Next come to this function, modulus function. Again modulus function at particular point c, here it is given. So continuous function, is the modulus function continuous function? So definition of modulus function is f of x equal to minus x if x is less than 0, plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So take at particular point c, general point take c. So f of c equal to minus c, positive side, negative side, both we are getting minus c. Therefore f is continuous at all positive side, hence it is positive side and also negative side. So hence it is continuous at all points. Next, discuss the example 8. Discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 1. Clearly f is defined at every number at c and its value is c cube. Put the value as x as c cube plus c square minus 1 and put the limit as x tends to c. Again we are getting the same value, c cube plus c square minus 1. Thus limit f of x as x tends to c equal to f of c, and hence f is continuous at every real number. This means f is a continuous function. Now come to the 9th example. Discuss the continuity of the function defined by f of x equal to 1 by x. Take limit f of x as x tends to c equal to 1 by x. Put the value as x tends to c, 1 by c. X must not equal to 0 because any number divided by 0, that is infinity, is not defined. So f of c equal to 1 by c. We have limit f of x as x tends to c equal to f of c, hence f is a continuous function. This function is continuous function because both the time we are getting the same value, 1 by c, 1 by c. If we take limit, we are getting 1 by c, and at x equal to general point take c. Again f of c is 1 by c we are getting. So the given function is continuous function. So all the general examples we have solved here. अब हम 4 मार्क के लिए, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 में 4 मार्क के लिए ये फिक्स क्वेश्चन आएगा. हम वही नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सिर्फ वही एग्जांपल्स मैं सॉल्व करूँगी जो एग्ज़ाम में आने वाले हैं. सो यहाँ से हम शुरू करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. यहाँ से लेकर फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ के एग्जांपल्स ज़्यादा पूछे जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम ये इन एग्जांपल्स को सॉल्व करेंगे. सो आप हमारा नेक्स्ट वीडियो ज़रूर देखें. अभी तक आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो लाइक कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.